So the project name is Hotel Aggregator Listings. So in Hotel Aggregator Listings, we have to list of the hotels and using of the list of hotels, we made a Power BI dashboard. So we make this dashboard. So firstly we see a data. So which data we have in this data set. So this is the data. In this data set, I have more than 20,000 rows and 44 columns. So, first column is ID, then the last cap, source name, host ID, and host is host location, host is type, host is hosted, host is superhost. So, there are overall 44 columns and all are different columns. And from these columns, we have made a insights for a dashboard. So this is the here you say here you see different types of columns. So and these columns we made up inside. So firstly we have to uh, we have to make a dashboard. So firstly we pick a geographical insights from this data set. So for geographical insight we here plot a plot a map on a whole world map. Here we say a different type of host locations are located here. So just like here in India, here are Kolkata location, Bangladesh location, Dhaka location, different place location. And after that, we see the here second window top five price of property type. So in top enter unit is sum of price is 2.1 million. After that enter home, the dollar is 1.3 million. After that private room in home, this is the price of 0.3 million. After that private room in enter unit, the price is 0.3 million. Then entire townhouse 0.2 million. So this is the top five price of property type. After that window is property type and group analysis. This analysis we put in a pie chart. So here we say hotel room, entire house, private room, and different, and we plot in the whole data in a property type and room. Here you say the highest room type is entire home and apartment, and this is the count of property type is 16,887, and this is at 72.84% of whole pie chart. Okay, so after that come up the next data. So this is the we plot. So this graph is the sum of price by host name and availability. So the has availability is two types, the F availability and T availability. So here we say Henry, Tony, and this is the host names and sum of price. So if we scroll, so here if we scroll here, so here we say the F price also. So there is very less availability on F. So after that, the review score and guest satisfaction. In here, we plot host name on x-axis and number of reviews and number of reviews on y-axis. So for review score, this is the poll and this is the host name. Host name review is 13K number of reviews, and 465 is the satisfaction rate. So after that is 7K is se- 7K is a total number of reviews of Alex, and 721 is a satisfaction score. This is the all columns we are plot. So here we see the inside. Here we see inside of we Alex who are less number of reviews but highest satisfaction score. So after that in hotel aggregation exchange we plot here filter. So if I want to see entire home apartment, if I click here, so here change the data. Here we see data about entire home apartment. So here entire home apartment data is here. After that hotel room, after that private room. According to that, other data will change and share room also. So thank you so much.